part about coming back from a car show is realizing your footage is so shitty and you need the right equipment. So like every time I get home, I'm like, damn, there's some certain things I really need to get. Like right now, got home after the show yesterday, and instantly I was looking at gimbals, a tripod, because it was so hard to just like have a steady hand. Even now, you can like tell that the video is shaking all over the place. So like I need one of these. I need one of these. It would be so good for me because it would mean I can just be standing at the show and just moving the tripod using the handle, and I don't have to like really move my phone like that. And then the gimbal, obviously, like I was watching the rally video, I made a montage of all the cars, and like the video kept going like this. I'm like, no, we don't need that. But yeah, I think. There's certain times where like the vlogging really gets so good for me. I'm like, I'm just enjoying the whole car part of it, and I really just want to make it better for myself as well, and better for the viewers, you guys watching that watch my vlogs. But yeah, I think soon. Um, of course, there are many things that I'd rather focus my attention on right now, because obviously the vlogging doesn't give me money, and I can't invest like this whole thing right now, the gimbal and the tripod stand, from a website here in Africa, an online store, is like 2,900, and it's just not worth me investing that much into the vlogs if I want to really get any return. So I'd rather keep that money for something else that would give me money. If I had merch, for example, on this channel, it would be so much better if you guys can be buying and I'm making some money where like I can put into this equipment and the vlogs get better. Maybe I'm more confident in trying to vlog other people's cars, because I mean, who wants a car to be vlogged, and the video is just so all over the place. And I think that's one thing that really discourages me from doing that, because I want someone's car or video or vlog of their car to be not perfect, but as good as something can be. Yeah, a nice, good standard. I generally think it's very important to talk about money issues, because I think it affects everyone. So, like, in a way, we are limited by the resources that we have. And for me, especially, like, I think my channel, I'd love it to be bigger than it is now. And if I had all the resources available, like, you'd have obviously seen me trying out at the King of Spain, and that would be like a really nice step for me to just do that. And I feel like in the future, given the finances obviously be there, and I can build a proper base, just to make sure that I'm financially stable. And I feel like that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just not trying to rush into certain things that I know if I put a bunch of money in it, it will just be stagnant. It's like buying a project car now. I mean, if I'm to buy a nice project car, it obviously need to be running so that I can obviously drive it, even if I'm not making mods or doing mods on it, rather than buying a shell and just letting it sit. It's like just putting money into something, and yeah, it's just a waste of money. So right now, I'm just trying to build a base. I'm trying to build a financial base that can help me. Um, I wouldn't say I'm less fortunate or more fortunate than others, but probably there's some quirks here and there that obviously don't allow me to be where I am right now. And it's just me trying to push that way. I know I don't show everything on camera, and yeah, it might look easy out there, like everything is fine, it's all financially good, but yeah, it's something that I'm pushing for every day, and I'm hoping maybe by the end of this year I could be in a position where um, my financial background is, or foundation is solid. I'm able to making good monies, to which I can now try and invest more into this channel. I try and bring up some merch so that you guys could support me as well if you ever wanted to, or if that's the thing that you'd even like to do. But again, if it has to be merch, I don't want it to just be something cheap, something ordinary. I want it to be something really good. I want it to be something strong, durable, and something that when you see it, you're like, I really want that. You might not like my content, but because of the quality and the kind of design, you're like, I want that shirt because it's cool, it's nice. Yeah, I hate to talk much, but yeah, I felt like I just make such a video. It's just me trying to highlight my financial position at the moment.
I'm hoping this year will really be big. Uh, yeah, the fact that I started working is one of the steps I'm taking to build a really good financial foundation, and then just try and divert those funds from my work to other things that obviously bring me money, and everything obviously will go into the car stuff because that's what I love. I do these videos not really, I wouldn't want to say I do them for you, but I do them more for myself because I just want to see how I build myself, how I grow as a car person, how I penetrate into this sort of market or this motorsport industry where like people are doing everything that they want to do, and that's because they have money. I mean, you wouldn't be drifting without money. You need tires, you need oil, you need cars, you need parts, and you need gas. So yeah, I hope you guys will be along for the journey. It's a weird video to make, but yeah, I hope you love it, and give it a thumbs up. The next video will be the car King of Spain video. I didn't want to put that video out now because I feel like the Facebook is just sort of crowded with King of Spain video or this video, and I thought I'd just take my time to just like edit it well and enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.